Sabana. Are you ready? Kicau, kicau, kicau mania. Kicau, kicau, kicau mania. Kicau, kicau.
Back when we were still changing for the better, wanting was enough. For me, it was enough to live for.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, thank you for coming on such short notice. I call this urgent meeting because our company is in a serious financial crisis and on the verge of bankruptcy. Our last report show a major loss of profit and a sharp decline in sales. Our goal today is simple. We must find realistic solution to prevent the company from going to bankrupt. Let's hear from each department to understand what is happening. Our last quarterly report show a massive loss of profit and a sharp 40% decline in sales compared to last year. We aren't just losing money, we are bleeding. Our goal today isn't just to talk, is to survive. We must find realistic, even if painful, solution to prevent this company from closing its door to for good. I want a transparent look at every department. Finance manager, please start with the numbers.
Okay, general managers. Thank you. I wish I had better news, but the numbers are sad. Currently, our cash flow is dangerously weak. The core of the problem is that our operational expenses have far outpaced our revenue for 6 consecutive months. We are burdened by heavy interest from unpaid debts, and our liquid assets are almost depleted. If we continue at this burn rate without significant intervention, we will literally run out of cash to pay salaries and rent in essentially 3 months. We are in a red zone where even small mistakes could be fatal.
From the market side, we are losing the battle for market share out. Customer retention rate has plummeted because our competitors have launched aggressive digital campaigns and sales price. The reality in that our current marketing strategy is all that is too traditional. We are failing to reach the younger demographics which now holds the majority of the purchasing power. We've become a ghost brand to them, and without a total pivot, our sales will continue to slide into irrelevance.
I have to echo the concurs about efficiency. Our productivity has decreased by another 20% this quarter. The main culprit is our aging infrastructure. We are facing frequent production halt due to old machinery that should have been replaced 2 years ago. These delays are causing a domino effect. We missed deadlines, which led to a flood of customer complaints and canceled contracts. My team is working overtime just to fix machines, not to produce goods. It's a very inefficient cycle that is costing us thousands every day.
The human element is just as fragile right now. Staff performance is at an all-time low, but it's not because they don't care. It is because they are terrified. Rumors of bankruptcy are spreading, and the morale is broken. Since we had to cut the training budget, our employees feel they don't have the tools to adapt to this new challenge. Furthermore, our current Payroll is our like fixed cost. Well, I value every person in this company. Keeping these many staff members under the current financial structure is becoming unsustainable.
Thank you all for your honestly. It's grim picture, but now we have the fact. Let's open the floor. How we stop the bleeding? Finance manager, you mentioned cutting costs. Where do we start?
We need immediate cost cutting measures. I am talking about a total freeze on all non essential spending. No travel, no new equipment unless it's a breakdown. And we must renegotiate our payment terms with every single supplier today.
I agree with saving money, but we can't just save our way out of a crisis. We need income, strongly suggest as rebranding strategy. If we don't change how the world sees us, cutting costs won't matter because no one will be buying our products anyway.
Wait, marketing manager, rebranding requires a massive creative budget and ad spend. We don't have that luxury. If we spend our last remaining cash on new logo and social media ads while my machines are breaking down, we won't have any product to sell even if the ads work. We must focus on operational efficiency. First, let's fix what we have.
And what about the people? If we focus on missions but don't address the staff, we'll have a strike or a mass resignation on our hands. However, I have to be the on to say it. We might need to consider downsizing. If we reduce the workforce by 15%, we could extend our runway by another 4 months. It is heartbreaking choice, but it might save the other active 5% of jobs.
Downsizing is a last resort. What about external investment? Can we pitch to the new investor or seek a bridge loan?
Banks won't touch us with our current balance sheet. Private investors might, but they aren't looking for hope. They want to see a short-term action plan that proves we can be profitable again. They will want to see the cost cut and the efficiency. Operation managers mention it before they give you a dime.
Okay, enough. I have heard all of you, and here is the path forward. We don't have time for a perfect plan, so we will execute an aggressive one. Via finance, implement the spending freeze immediately, renegotiate the debt by Friday. Marketing, you have 48 hours to present a guerrilla marketing plan, low cost, high impact social media only, no big agencies. Operation, identify the one most critical machine causing the delays. We will find a way to repair it, but return I need a 10% increase in output. And then HR, I want a general assembly with the staff tomorrow. We will be honest with them. No downsizing yet, but everyone needs to give 110% to keep this ship afloat. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, understand.
Alright, I wrap this meeting. We will meet again next week to check the progress. Thank you for hard work. Let's save this company. I believe in this company team's ability to turn the tide. If we stay united and disciplined, we will come out of this stronger than ever. Okay, let's go to the work. Meeting adjourned. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.